Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay to Alipay transfer to a Chinese supplier. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can easily transfer money to any Chinese supplier on your Alipay app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Alipay app. I'm going to open my Alipay app right here. After you open up your Alipay app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and paste the account number of the Chinese supplier right here to search for the account. So I'm going to click on here now. Then I'll click on hold down. I will simply paste the account number right here and hit on search. Then in a few seconds, you can see the account information right here. So next thing, what we want to do next here is to click on transaction right here. Once you click on transaction, it's click you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and enter the amount you want to send. So I'm sending 730 to this particular supplier right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on transfer. Then for the safety of your phone, please confirm the payee information avoid wrong transfer. Go ahead and click on payee name. The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and click on transfer. The next thing I'm going to do is to enter my payment password to complete the transaction. Payment done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to screenshot this part of the proof of payment. Having made a screenshot of this part, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and send the proof of payment to someone that asked me to pay for their supplier in China. So I'm going to go ahead to my WhatsApp right here. So my WhatsApp right here, this person here asked me to pay their supplier. Then I'll go ahead and upload the proof of payment right here. Just like so, and say payment made. It's that simple. So you can see my chat with this person's right here. This is when they make payment in Naira, and this is when we exchange it and pay the supplier direct in China from Alipay to Alipay transfer. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay your Chinese supplier in Alipay, or you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.